In this video, we'll show you how to delete your Telegram account permanently. So there are a couple of ways to do this. You can use the method that works best for you. So the first and the easiest method is to simply open the Telegram app, head to its settings tab. Now here you will need to tap on privacy and security. Now here you will need to scroll down and here you should see this delete my account section. Simply tap on if away for and then select delete account now option. But if you don't see the delete account now like me, what you can do is open up any web browser on your phone or computer and then search for delete Telegram account. Now you will see this first link appearing from Telegram itself. Simply tap on it and then you will need to enter your phone number. So simply enter your phone number with the correct country code. Once you have entered your phone number, simply tap next. Now you should have received a Telegram confirmation code. So as you can see, I've received this code and then paste it here. Now simply select sign in. Now here I'm getting three options. You simply need to select this delete account option. Now it will tell you what will happen to your account and basically all the information. Simply select delete my account to confirm and you should be done. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.